So, if you are a regular viewer of the channel, you may remember that back in May, I did a walk around on the North Strip and kind of showed you what was going on at the Resorts World site. Well, a lot has changed in the past few months. It's quite a large edifice. I don't think it was even half that tall before, so they're definitely making progress on this. So we'll take a look. There's some construction going on to the back there as well. Just quite a bit of change in just a few months. See if we can get any other shots walking this way. Yeah, I'd say that's at least doubled, and some of the floors, at least where the elevator shafts and stuff would be, seem like they're enclosed. So definitely a lot going on. Still projected as a 2020 open after a lot of years when it wasn't at all clear this was ever going to happen. But as you can see, it's right next to Circus Circus on one side, pretty close to Trump and Treasure Island on the other. So really, when it's completed, it will have a huge impact.